Good morning, my dear students. Welcome you all for Statistical Application in Business class. Myself, Dr. Lakshmama HR, working as an assistant professor, Department of Commerce and Management, Government Presbyterian College, Anekal, Bangalore district. Today's session is 50th session. We are solving the problems on the time series under moving average method. So in the previous session also, we have solved problems on moving average method. Let us continue the session with the time series on moving average method. So find moving average for 3 years. Okay. See the number of years they're given here. 3 years moving average we are going to find out for this problem. Year given 1 to 12 years. Values they are given like this: 10, 14, 18, 22, 26, 30, 34, 38, 42, 46, 50, 54 like this. They are given in the problem. So based on the values, we are going to find out the average for 3 years, moving average for 3 years. Is it? Okay, so this is the table how we are going to calculate the moving average for 3 years. Year column, values they are given in the problem as it is. Now these two columns you have to find out. Okay, one is 3 years moving total, 3 years moving average. So these two values you are going to find out for this problem. So here 3 years moving total. So we have to take like this: 10, 14 and 18 comes, these three comes together 42. 42 is the values for 3 years, is it? So 42 divided by 3, you will get 14. Okay, students? So if it is 3 years moving average, we have to divide the value by 3 years. So 10, 14, 18 comes to 42. 42 divided by 3, you will get 14. Okay. So next 14, 18, 22. You just leave first one. You had the three values: 14, 18, 22 comes to 54. So 54 divided by 3, you will get 18. Okay, students. Next, leave 2, add 3. 18 plus 22 plus 26. You will get 66. Okay. 66 divided by 3, you will get 22. Okay, students. Next, 22, 26, 30. So 22, 26, 30, you will get how much? 78. 78 divided by 3, you will get 26. Okay. So if you want to draw in the exam, you make like this: draw first 3 years, you get 42. Next 3 years, you get 54. Okay. 18 plus 22 plus 26, you will get 66. If you will mark like this in pencil in the exam booklet, so for that you will not get confused. First 3, 42. Next 3, 54. Next 3, it will be 66. Is it? First 3, next 3, next 3, next 3, 30, 78. Next, leave up to here. First 1, 2, 3, next 1, 2, 3, next 1, 2, 3, next 1, 2, 3, next it should be 1, 2, 3 like this. So from here to here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next from here to here, 1, 2, 3. Next from here to here, 1, 2, 3. Next from here to here, 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. For like this also you can do. See, yeah, similar like this you will do. Box system, you will get the values like this. Okay, whatever the values you are going to get here, you have to divide it by 3. You get the values, that is average values for moving average. Okay. So in the exam, if they are asked graph sheet, you have to show 0 to x-axis as year column, 0 to y-axis as values. You have to show this value as well as moving average values. Okay, students? So clear? Shall we move to the next problem? Yeah. So next problem is how, just wait. Yeah. So if we will find out the values, we will move on to the next problem. That is the value. Find moving average for 7 years. So based on number of years they are asking in the exam, you have to find out the values, average for 7 years. So 1990 to 2000 they are given, values they are given 242, 250, 252 like that. So based on this, we are going to prepare the table like this. Here, then values they are given in the problem, 7 years moving total. You have to make the total of 7 years. Okay. See, 242, 250, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up to 251, 1752 divided by 7 years. See, 7 years moving average. So if it is 7 years, you have to divide this by 7. So at that time, you will get 250.28. Okay, students. Up to how much? 251. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 251. Is it? Next, you add from 257. 257 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You leave first one, then up to 257. 1767 divided by 7, 252.42. Okay, students. Next, up to 260. From 252 to 260. 252 to 260. 1377. 1377 divided by 7. 7 is average. So 253.85. You make it as 254. Where if you will show in the graph, as I told you earlier, if you want to show in the graph, if it is decimal fractions is there, you make it is round up. Here 250.28 is there. So you keep 250 as it is. Here 252 as it is. Here you make it as round to 254 because 8, 5 is there. No, it is more than 5. Therefore, you make it as 254. Here 256 you make it is. 258 you do it. Okay, 258. So like that you have to find out 1777, then 1790 up to 265, 265, 260, 257, 251, 255, 253. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 1790. Divided by 7, you will get the percentage. So next is up to 262. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 253 to 262, 1803. Divided by 7, you will get 257.57. Okay, students, clear? So like that, we are going to prepare moving average total. Sorry, moving 7 years moving total, 7 years moving average. Like this, we are going to prepare the average for this problem. So this is moving average method. In the time series, one is the least square method and second one is moving average method. So this question you may expect for section B and least square method you may expect for section C. Okay, students, clear? See here. From the following data of sugar production in India, calculate the trend values by the method of moving average. See, trend value we are going to find out with the help of moving average, assuming 4-year cycle. So, how many number of moving average we have to find out here? 4 years cycle. See, year 2002 to 2013 year they are given. The values they are given 75, 62, 76, 78, 94, 84, 96, 128, 116, 76, 102, 168. Okay, like this they are given the values here. So what we have to find out? We have to find out the table. See, 4 years moving total. 4 years. You have to mark like this. 75, 62, 76, 78. 4 years moving average. So see, I'll show. Yeah. See, 75 up to 4 years. Yeah. 75, 62, 76, 78. 291. Is it? Next, up from 62 to 94. 62, 76, 78, 94. Okay. Then from 76 to 84. 76 to 84. Next, 78 to 96. 4 years. 1, 2, 3, 4 years. Next, 94 to 128. Next, 84 to 116. Next, 96 to 76. Next, 128 to 102. Next, 116 to 168. Okay. So like this, if you will add 4 items, you will get the total 4 years moving total. Okay. So next is you have to make average. 4 years moving average. That is 291 divided by 4 years, 72.75. If you want to show in graph, you make it as 73. You just make this as 78. This is 101. This is 106. 116. Okay, you have to show in graph year column, values, actual value, as well as average, moving average values. Okay. So 291 divided by 4, you will get 72.75. 310 divided by 4, 77.5. 332.4, 83. 352 divided by 4, 88. 42 divided by 4, 100.5. 424 by 4, 106. 416 divided by 4, 104. 422 divided by 4, 105.5. 462 divided by 4, 115.5. Okay, student. So you have to calculate the values like this. So practice with seeing previous year question papers. So like this, you may expect for questions for section B as well as section C. Okay, students. So similar type of problems we continue in the next class. Thank you.